Hi there. In this video, I'm going to walk you through capabilities Simplified AI video product offers. So first and most importantly, when once you log in, click on AI video. This will open the AI video application, and let's familiarize ourselves with the all the functions on the dashboard. So this is my dashboard. You can find all previously created projects in the creative sections. Then there are video templates. And on the dashboard, you will see there are browse templates as well as new video. If you're looking to create like a new video from scratch, you can always start from like new video, choose the different styles, YouTube videos, Reels, TikTok, and create. So you can create these videos from scratch. But in a day of AI, now there are a lot of AI capabilities Simplified AI video offers. So let's go through each one of them. So when we are looking to create videos, we want to either repurpose our long videos, our podcast, Zoom recordings, or any other event recordings. So that way we can just upload a link, drag and drop a video, and then we can turn them into the clips. So let's see if I have anything that is in my assets which we can use for repurposing. All right, so I'm going to choose this video. Once you choose this video, there are different pre-made styles like these. These are the famous creator styles. So all you need to do is like choose select these videos and click next. And then AI will ask you a few more things with what language the original video is in. And there are clip duration. You can choose 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minute, or 5 minutes. Also, how do you want your clips to be generated? Whether center fit or like split screen or like a speaker, only a speaker talking at only active speaker is shown on the screen. You can also personalize as per your brand the caption styles and hit generate. So for this demo, I have already created a few AI clips. So once you process these AI clips, within like 30 minutes, AI will go analyze the transcript. AI will understand what's exactly the context of the conversation and will go and create probably 20 to 30 clips on and also will give the virality score. What is virality score? Virality score is the way AI analyzes your script, the context, current trends, and then gives some score based on likelihood of this reel going viral. Once these clips are created, you can anyways download them or click on it. AI already generated the title, subtitle, even hashtags as well. So if you want to make some changes, you can click on edit, or you can directly schedule and start publishing these clips on your social media channels. So I can select all, and maybe I don't want to choose second one. So select the ones you want to publish and click add to queue. This will add these queues, add these clips directly on your calendar. So let's go through the social media calendar, and we will cover social media calendar in depth in another video. So you can see the transcript. We support 23 plus different languages for you to transcribe and create your videos. Also, you can share these videos with anybody you want. So this is quick introduction of AI repurpose video. Similarly, if you are looking to repurpose AI audio clips, you can drag and drop audio clips, or you can search through any podcast. So for example, and then select the style, click next, and AI will generate like again based on the duration, based on the different context, AI will choose how many clips it needs to generate. Then second piece is add subtitles. Now, not every time you want to create clips. Sometimes you have already recorded a video and you want to apply some fancy subtitles. Doing it manually takes it's a slog. So with AI, you can just drag and drop these files, select the style. You can also do it for landscape, square, or portrait. select the video. Let's say, for example, I like this style. I can choose the style, click next, drag and drop my pre-recorded video, or you can even directly scan the video to upload it from your phone as well, and click generate. Once it is generated, AI will apply those subtitle styles to your video. And third section is text to video, where you can turn any blog into a video. You can ask AI to write a script and generate a video, or you can consider text to video. So let's go into AI script to video. So in AI script to video, I can ask AI to write a script on power of, let's say, yoga. I'll ask AI to write a script. I want it to be maybe like a personal story, and I want it to be 60 seconds. So AI will write the video story in a personal style. Now, once it is written, you can choose if you want like YouTube style videos, or TikTok, or probably Instagram, one by one size. Then you can choose different speakers. You can also clone your voice, but here you can select from like different languages. We support a lot of different natural voices from 11 labs as some of the other vendors. You can choose your language from, we support large variety of languages. So in this case, or you can choose the neutral ones. You can also, by clicking here, you can hear the audio, hear the voice. Then there are multiple ways you can pick a media. So you can choose like stock videos. So your when AI will generate this video, it will use stock videos. Stock images, it will just create video using stock images. AI images. When you click on AI images, you can choose the style. For example, then AI will use cartoonish style to narrate your story, or realistic. So there are a large number of styles that are available. You can choose them, or you can just upload your own media as well, the same way which we did it in video. Click on media library, you can browse video collection, or you can go to the assets, select anything you want, apply your brand kit and hit generate. Once it is done, it will generate a video. It might take like few seconds, but it will generate a video that might look something like this. This is Simplified's video editor. And once video is rendered, you will get a notification where your transcript is here. And AI already picked up all the timeline. If you open the timeline, AI already picked the footage that goes well with this story, and created a video. You can always read through the script, use our AI features to remove filler words, find and replace, remove silences, or you can always just select the script and either trim it or add new media. And once you are happy with the video that is generated, all you need to do is like click on export, download this video, or you can directly publish and schedule it for social media publishing as well. So this is a very quick overview of Simplified's AI video features. In next video, we will talk about Simplified's social connected social media calendar. You find this helpful, let us know your feedback. Thank you.